voice, there was a melody that came from the depths of me.
The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S20 Trio is shaping up to be a killer flagship. However, not much was known about how the top-end S20 Ultra will be better than the other two. A new report by Smart Price suggests that the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra will sport a quad-camera array with insane individual cameras. The Galaxy S20 Ultra, the biggest and most expensive of the lot, will sport camera hardware that's different from the other two phones, the S20 and S20 Plus. The S20 Ultra will feature a 108MP main sensor, a 48MP telephoto shooter, a 12MP ultra-wide-angle shooter, and a TOF sensor. The S20 and S20 Plus will utilize the 12MP Sony IMX555 1.8mm January 1, 1976 as their main cameras. They will be joined by the 64MP ISOCELL S5K GW2 as the telephoto sensor, and the 12MP ISOCELL S5K2LA as the ultra-wide-angle shooter. The S20 Plus will have a TOF sensor, but the S20 will likely not. Interestingly, the S20 Ultra opts for a lower-res telephoto sensor than the S20 Plus and S20, 48MP versus 64MP. The S20 Ultra is touted to offer 10x optical zoom, which would be groundbreaking on a smartphone. It will likely achieve that by a combination of its 108MP sensor and the periscope setup on the 48MP shooter. This is the first time 10x optical zoom has been mentioned for the phone, however, and we wouldn't be surprised if it only ends up with 5x zoom. The S20 and S20 Plus, however, will offer 3x optical zoom. The front camera on all three devices will be the 10MP Sony IMX374 that was on the Galaxy S10 and Note 10 phones. Samsung is working on 8K video recording, as evidenced by code and strings we found in the Samsung Camera app. Now we can confirm that 8K at 30fps video recording is indeed present on the Galaxy S20 Plus, to say nothing of the other models in the lineup. I know some cinematographers will be annoyed there is no option to change between 30fps and 24fps, but in my view, Samsung made the right decision locking it into 30fps, the best frame rate for recording video. As for other resolutions and capabilities of the phone, the Galaxy S20 Plus will be able to record at 4K 60fps with video stabilization, likely both voice and eyes, for both the front and rear cameras. It doesn't seem like the Galaxy S20 Plus will support 4K 60fps HDR video, though 8K 30fps video also will not support HDR, but that's to be expected at that resolution. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Trio, alongside the Galaxy Z Flip Foldable, will be unveiled on February 11th, just weeks before MWC 2020. 5G variants of all the phones are also expected, but there are a lot of software side changes which are still unknown.